This mistake changes the entire look of a French design in dual forms. I'll show you how to calculate it the right way. There are 3 key factors you need to pay attention to. First, length. Length determines how the extension looks visually. It can look short, medium, or elongated. In a square shape, the French looks more rounded. In an almond shape, it visually stretches longer. In Gothic or stiletto shapes, it looks sharper. Second, the ratio between the nail bed and the free edge. For short nails, the ideal ratio is 80/20. For medium lengths, it's 70/30. For long nails, 60/40 works best. For extra long nails, the ratio is reversed. Keep this image in mind. Third, symmetry. Once the center line is drawn, both sides should mirror each other. Now let's move into practice. I'm modeling a short square nail. This is a practice set. All the foundational steps are already covered in earlier videos. The extension is softly rounded, following an 80/20 ratio. Without proper markings, everything else falls off. This area needs to stay thin. If it's too thick, the nail won't sit flat and lifting will occur. The strength comes from the builder underneath, not the design. On short nails, bulky designs like crystals or seashell slices don't work. They add thickness and make the nail look heavy. Following today's guidelines, a rounded French silicone form works best here. I explained the proper silicone placement in detail in the previous video, so I'm following the same method here. These are the starting points of the smile line. Both sides need to match exactly. These are the products I'll be using for this set. Before applying anything, I always test the colors for compatibility. I create the smile line using diamond gel. I seal the free edge with red glass gel. Pay attention here. This part of the French should stay thin. I don't cure yet, keeping the proportions intact. I add foil to create visual depth. The manicure and surface prep were done ahead of time. I'll quickly apply dehydrator, primer, and base, then move on. For visual balance, I add subtle accents with diamond gel. Gently separate the silicone. Pay close attention to the final product placement inside the form. Notice that I don't fill the form all the way. I leave about 1 to 2 millimeters empty. That's intentional, so when the form is placed on the nail, it doesn't cover the glitter near the cuticle. Form placement, following previous guidelines, quick cure on the nail plate. I place the form following the previous guidelines, then I do a quick cure on the nail plate. Always cleanse the sticky layer underneath, otherwise the gel will stick to your bit and damage it. As usual, there's no need for filing. Just lightly refine the free edge and the side walls, keeping them clean and parallel to the center line. Before applying top coat, always refine and even out the French structure. Focus on the length of the French zone, not the overall nail length. When the application is done correctly, there's no need for heavy e-filing underneath. You only need a light refinement of the free edge using the proper bit. Everything becomes easier when you understand the system. If this helped you, you'll find more structured tutorials on the channel.